In this video, we will talk about Enterprise Resource Planning. What is an ERP? How it works for the business? How it is being used to gain competitive advantage? And examples of companies using ERP. So what is an ERP? It is a software that allows an organization to use a system of integrated applications to manage the business. It integrates all sides of a business operation, including product planning, development, manufacturing, sales and marketing, in a single database, application, and user interface.
So now, let's talk about how ERP works. In a business that has many functional areas that generates a lot of essential information, it can be very confusing for a manager to monitor the business if information is scattered from different functional areas. That's why ERP systems was developed to provide the information backbone needed to support business decisions and execute the operations. Now, here are how ERP works in the following functional areas. First is inventory management. ERP will monitor and maintain your inventory by applying simple control settings to warehouses, locations, bins, and lots. Next is financials and accounting. In ERP, there is wide visibility in tracking and tracing financial transactions because it is like having a smarter automated financial audit. Next is sales and customer service. ERP provides customer order history, current stock levels, available part substitutions, delivery times, and production time if the item needs to be manufactured without making the customer wait. After knowing how ERP works, we can now discuss how it can help the company to gain a competitive advantage that can lead to something huge.
With ERP, employees have an access to accurate information that enables them to make better decisions faster. It can help in making business processes run fast and smoothly since information are being automated and centered into one IT resource. Since data are centered into one database and can be viewed real-time, the business can address concerns and problems proactively and easily drive improvements. Barriers between departments are quickly eliminated, and corporate data becomes easily accessible, which can lead to accuracy of essential business information.
Increase customer satisfaction, since ERP can help the business process customer orders quickly through better data management. This can also reduce customer returns because procedures about business production process are being documented, and it will definitely reduce defective products and improve producing products correctly. Now, here are the examples of the companies that use ERP for their success.
LG, Accenture, Apple, Nestle, Procter & Gamble.
In LG, upon using Oracle as its ERP software, real-time reporting for higher management and tracking of set goals and objectives were met, and cost savings due to not having to maintain multiple systems were observed.
For Accenture, since Accenture started using SAP for their ERP management, it enabled the company to prioritize and deliver enhancement across multiple functions, improving efficiency and value realized. For Apple, they believe that SAP could help them to quickly and easily build iOS apps. Nestle are using Odyssey, and it helped their business to be the largest well-known global business with multiple cultures. For P&G, the company has been driven growth in their business and cutting costs since they use ERP. And yes, ERP are great, but successful implementation requires careful thought, consideration, and engagement from all stakeholders.
Created using Powtoon.